The final weeks of pregnancy are a time of intense anticipation. You're so close to meeting your little one. Excitement builds with each passing day, but along with the joy, you might also feel some anxiety. It's normal to wonder when labor will start. You're eager to meet your baby, but the unknown can be a little daunting. Remember, your body is designed for this. Trust your instincts and listen to what your body is telling you. There are often subtle and not so subtle signs that labor is approaching. One of the most obvious signs is your body preparing for labor. As you enter the final weeks of pregnancy, you may start to notice several physical changes that indicate labor is approaching. These changes are your body's way of getting ready for the big day. Hormonal shifts trigger changes in your cervix. These hormones, particularly estrogen and relaxin, play a crucial role in preparing your body for childbirth. These changes allow it to soften, thin, and eventually dilate to make way for your baby. This process is known as effacement and dilation, and it is essential for a smooth delivery. You might also notice increased vaginal discharge, sometimes tinged with blood. This is often referred to as the bloody show, and it indicates that your cervix is beginning to open up. This bloody show is a sign that things are moving along. It can happen a few days or even weeks before labor starts, so it's a good idea to keep an eye out for this sign. Another physical change is the loosening of your joints. This is due to the hormone relaxin, which helps your body prepare for childbirth by making your joints more flexible. Relaxin, a hormone produced during pregnancy, helps your ligaments stretch. This increased flexibility is necessary for your pelvis to expand during delivery. This prepares your pelvis for childbirth. As your body gets ready, you might feel some discomfort or even pain in your pelvic area. You might experience increased flexibility or even some clumsiness as your joints loosen. This is completely normal and is just another way your body is preparing for the arrival of your baby. Remember to take it easy and avoid any strenuous activities that could cause injury. Along with the physical changes, you might notice emotional shifts too. As your due date approaches, it's common to feel a mix of excitement, anxiety, and anticipation. These emotional shifts are a natural part of the journey. Hormones play a big role here as well. The hormonal changes that prepare your body for labor can also affect your mood and emotions. You might find yourself more sensitive than usual, reacting strongly to things that wouldn't normally bother you. Don't be surprised if you experience sudden bursts of energy. This is often referred to as the nesting instinct. It's your body's way of preparing for your baby's arrival, giving you the drive to get everything ready. This nesting instinct is your body's way of preparing for your baby's arrival. You might find yourself wanting to clean, organize, and prepare your home for your little one. It's a natural urge to create a safe and welcoming environment for your baby. You might feel the urge to clean, organize, and prepare your home for your little one. This can include everything from deep cleaning the house to setting up the nursery and making sure everything is in its place. On the other hand, you might also experience moments of intense emotion. It's not uncommon to feel overwhelmed by the changes happening in your body and the anticipation of becoming a parent. You might feel weepy, irritable, or easily overwhelmed. These emotional swings can be challenging, but it's important to remember that they are a normal part of pregnancy. These feelings are completely normal. Talking to friends, family, or a healthcare provider can help you navigate these emotions. Sharing your feelings with others can provide comfort and reassurance. Pregnancy is a time of significant hormonal fluctuations, and it's okay to feel a range of emotions. Taking time for self-care, such as meditating, journaling, or simply resting, can help you manage these emotional shifts. Remember, it's important to be kind to yourself during this time. As your due date approaches, you might notice changes in your baby's movements. While your baby is growing, space is getting tighter in your womb. This means you might feel fewer strong kicks and jabs. Instead, you might notice more rolling and squirming movements. Don't worry, your baby is still active. They're just getting into position for birth. If you're ever concerned about your baby's movements, don't hesitate to contact your healthcare provider. Every pregnancy is unique, embracing the unexpected. It's important to remember that every pregnancy is unique. The signs of labor can vary from woman to woman. Some women experience many of these signs, while others only experience a few. And some signs might appear weeks or just hours before labor begins. Don't get too caught up in comparing your experience to others. Listen to your body and trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider for guidance. The power of preparation. Feeling confident as labor approaches. As the big day draws near, it's natural to feel a mix of excitement and anxiety. But with the right preparation, you can transform those nerves into confidence. While you can't predict exactly when labor will begin, there are things you can do to feel prepared. Start by creating a birth plan. Discuss your preferences with your healthcare provider, and make sure you understand the different scenarios that might arise. Attend childbirth classes to learn about the stages of labor and different pain management options. These classes can provide valuable insights into what to expect, and they often include breathing techniques and other coping strategies. Pack your hospital bag with everything you'll need for yourself and your baby. Include essentials like comfortable clothing, toiletries, and items that will help you relax, such as a favorite book or music playlist. Preparing for labor can ease anxiety and empower you to feel more in control. Knowledge is power. Read books, watch videos, and talk to other mums about their experiences. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. By understanding the signs of labor and preparing for your baby's arrival, you can approach this exciting time with confidence and anticipation. Recognize the early signs, such as contractions and water breaking, and know when it's time to head to the hospital. Surround yourself with a supportive team, whether it's your partner, family, or a doula, to help you through the process. Remember, every labor experience is unique, and being flexible and open-minded can make a big difference. Embrace this journey with a positive mindset and look forward to meeting your little one soon. Sharing your story. Connecting with other expectant parents is so important. Have you noticed any surprising signs of labor in your pregnancy journey so far? We'd love to hear about your unique experiences. Share your stories in the comments below and connect with other expectant parents today. Remember, you're not alone on this incredible journey. Sharing your experiences can provide support, encouragement, and even a few laughs along the way. Stay tuned for more. Continuing the pregnancy journey together, every step of the way. This is just the beginning of our wonderful journey together. In the coming weeks, we'll be exploring more about labor, delivery, and the amazing postpartum period. We'll cover topics like pain management options, breastfeeding tips, and much more. And adjusting to life with a newborn, making it easier for you. Stay tuned for more informative and relatable content designed to guide you through every step of your pregnancy and parenting journey.